Krishna is saying two types of chanting. So as long as we're in this body and we're making offenses, there's no Shuddhanam. When offenses stop, Shuddhanam. Shuddhanam means no more offenses. Then Shuddhanam takes one through Nishtha, takes one to Ruchi, Sakti, Bhav, and that Shuddhanam becomes imbued with the Prema Shakti and Bhava Shakti descending from the Upanishads, and then we call it a fully blossomed pure name. There's pure name and aparadna, that's all. Nothing. And some different acharyas, contemporary acharyas, they try to explain in different ways. But this is the viewpoint of Vishwanath, and our acharyas agree with this. So we follow this line. If one can look at Vandurya Kadambini and easily see, am I in a level of Nishtita Bhakti? There are 6 symptoms of Nishtita Bhakti and 6 symptoms of Anishtita Bhakti. They're fully delineated in Vandurya Kadambini. So I close my eyes and I try to think of Lila, I fall asleep, or Laya, Anishtita, because of the contamination of the Chitta. So, keep going. For life after life. So it's best to follow the standard way. Srila Prabhupada in all his books, he always says, follow the standard books of knowledge. You can search Folio for this phrase, standard books of knowledge. It appears about 50 times in Bhagavad Gita. We should follow the standard books of knowledge, which give the standards of Bhakti Sadhana. Why? Prabhupada used to say, the problem with you Westerners, you always want to introduce something new. So don't change what I've given you. I've given you the worship of Radha and Krishna, or Nitai. Keep it simple, stupid. You know? In America, businessmen have the KISS principle. You know KISS? Keep it simple. So stick to the KISS principle and also stay brahmachari.